I am now going to show you how to install the tools using Anaconda. The next thing you have to do is to add conda channels. We will add 2 channels. So I'll start with the first one, which is bioconda. So I'll say conda config add channels, and I'll say bioconda. I'll add a second one. So I'll say conda config add channels, and I'll say conda coach. You can also confirm if the channels have been added. So you can say conda config show channels. This will list the channels. So we have conda forge, we have bioconda. The default channel comes packaged with conda, so we will leave it as it is. We are now going to install the tools. So we will first create an environment and install the tools in that environment. So we will say conda create-n, and I will say irony-seq. So the name of the environment is irony-seq. We are now going to specify the tools that we want to install. So we will start with star, and I also say subread. featureCounts is part of the subread package, so we are using subread. We are also going to install multi-QC. So now we can run this command. We will now type Y to confirm, and then conda will download all the necessary packages and install them for us. So let's wait for conda to complete its work. Okay, the packages have been installed. So if you want to use the tools, you need to activate the environment. So you have to use this one here. And if you are done, you can deactivate using this one. So let's test the tools first. So if you want to test the tools, you need to first activate the environment. So you can say conda activate irony-seq. And this will activate the environment. So after that, you can test. So let's just start. We will start with star like this, and then we can run it. We can also check where star is located, which is here. That's fine. So once you run it and you have this, that means that the tool is working. Okay, so we've tested with 1. You can also do for featureCounts like this and then run it. So that's also done. So that is how we install the tool. So once you are done with the installation, then you can proceed with the other activities. So let's continue.